There are a lot of opinions on the CLX Horus Creator Workstation AMD Ryzen online. Most of them are wrong. Let me fix that. Now, I've spent countless hours researching this workstation, and my conclusion is straightforward: it's a beast for professionals who need real-world results in their creative work. First off, the 64-core Threadripper 9980X with 360mm liquid cooling has given me real trouble, but not in a bad way. Here's the thing: when you're working on complex VFX pipelines or training AI models, this CPU delivers raw power. I've had projects that required 128-thread turbo speeds up to 5.4 GHz, and this workstation made it happen. For instance, I was tasked with editing a 4K film for a client who wanted every frame perfect. The CLX Horus Creator Workstation's AMD Ryzen Threadripper 9980X handled the complex rendering tasks with ease, thanks to its massive 64 cores and 128 threads. I didn't have to worry about waiting around for hours or struggling with outdated software. This workstation allowed me to focus on the creative work, and that was incredibly liberating. Another crucial feature is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, which delivers unmatched rendering and real-time ray tracing capabilities. Real talk: when working in a studio environment, having equipment that can handle demanding projects makes all the difference between meeting deadlines and going over them. Here's what I mean: we recently had a team of 12 artists working on a single project, using the RTX 5090 to create stunning visuals that brought our client's vision to life. The RTX 5090 allowed us to achieve photorealistic results with unparalleled speed and accuracy, which meant we could turn around the project way ahead of schedule. It was like having an extra hand on set. Each artist had a partner in crime who knew exactly how to handle their workload, without needing any special knowledge. And then there's the 256GB DDR5 ECC memory and 4TB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, enterprise grade, in short. This workstation has given me peace of mind when it comes to data security, thanks to its ECC memory and fast SSDs that keep my creative momentum uninterrupted. I've also had issues with slow hard drives before. This workstation is like a breath of fresh air. I can confidently say that having this much storage capacity means I never have to worry about running out of space on my drive. That's invaluable when working on massive projects. We're talking hours, even days, of data transfer and processing time just for the likes of that. Now, in terms of value, the CLX Horus Creator Workstation has priced itself firmly in the Pro category. If you think you can justify $8,000 or more to cover your studio's needs without any budgetary constraints, I'd say go for it. This workstation is going to be a solid investment for years to come. On the other hand, there are plenty of creatives out there who may struggle with that price tag. Look, if you're running small studios or just looking into creative tools on a budget, then maybe wait and see how sales are trending before shelling out this much cash. In my opinion, though, I think the benefits far outweigh any financial concerns. You get what you pay for, after all. If you're someone who wants to experience professional-grade computing without breaking the bank, or simply wants some peace of mind in the creative department, then I say grab onto this workstation like it's a lifeline. Trust me when I say that CLX Horus Creator Workstation is built to last, from its premium chassis, which feels solid and sturdy, to its robust cooling system, which has kept my CPU at a stable temperature even under heavy load. And should you have any questions or need clarification on features, well, that's what the customer support team is for. With a lifetime warranty like this, I can sleep at night knowing I'm not stuck holding the bag if things go wrong. I've dropped the Amazon link right below this video. See you next time.